This is my first. Oh, I tripped. This is my first day across. Never mind. This is my first day at another work site, and basically, I'm not having a good day. They didn't have lockers, so I have to work with my book bag on my body because I always bring my lunchbox and then any like medicine in case anything goes wrong. And um, this is my first time vlogging in public, let alone in Yonkers. So I'm walking back. I don't know if I should cross. I can't see. I can't see. My anxiety is kind of okay. It's pretty bad, but not really. I am a little bit nervous. I was anxious before I came, and then after I came, it just got worse. When I found out they didn't have lockers and I had to work with my book bag on my back, that did get worse. But now I'm heading back. In this location, they just want us to fix the shelves and the fridges and make everything look nice and pretty, basically. So that's what we're doing. I wasted 15 minutes of my lunch break complaining on the phone to my mom. And then I went back in, and then I realized it's a 30-minute break. But the woman has said that it might be a 30-minute break. She didn't confirm it, so I wasn't really sure. So that's another thing that I didn't really appreciate. They didn't confirm it. They didn't get back. But I will let you know how the rest of the video goes.
Pero ya yo te había dicho que yo tengo esa clase mañana. Ajá. Ok. Este es a las 5 de la tarde, y esta clase está acá a las 8. Este es el día, tú sabes que es la noche. Ajá, no, en la clase a las 5 hasta las 8 y yo tengo que coger esa clase obligatoriamente. Vayan ustedes She's like, oh. that we used to take to school, and that tax was I was doing the baking to school because of my car. And she knows that she was over at 8. She's like, oh, I was only going to
Oh, you can't wear those?
because they're not home.
Hi, so I just finished eating on my hour break, but the hour is still going. And I've had a very long, annoying, stressful day. It's raining. I can't wait to get home and tell you guys about this work site. Let's find. Hi guys. So, I'm on my hour break. I have nothing to do. I spent like 10 minutes, I would say like 10, 15 minutes eating at the Popeye slash Burger King because they're conjoined. Then I went to my job and I used the bathroom. I used the bathroom, washed my hands, all that, and now I still have like 20, 30 more minutes, I would say. And let me tell you, at first, it's so, how can I explain it? It's not a bad job. So I am a little bit disappointed because the type of worker I am, I work fast and I just like fast-paced stuff and I'm very hands-on. And the training that was given to me is someone through the Wonolo app themselves, and they're a very independent worker as well. So the training wasn't really training, you can say. It was just like a breakdown of what you do. And it was very quick. It wasn't very like, the person wasn't very communicative. Communicative. I can't say that word. I'm tired. I've had a long day. Bear with me. But like, it was just very, it gave me a lot of anxiety, I can't lie. And I also didn't want the bosses to think that I was just sitting or standing around doing nothing. So I let them know, like, I'm waiting for him to tell me what to do. Because once he tells me what to do, I do it and I finish it fast. But then there's nothing else for me to do and I have to wait for him to tell me to do something again. And it's just a very long process. So I was told that tomorrow and also next week that there's other people that they could pair me with, so it'll go faster and I'll be able to do more things. But I'm not even from this area. I got a ride. I got a ride to get over here. But usually if I was just by myself, like traveling and coming to this work site, I would have to wake up. Okay, I have to be here by 8. It takes 2 hours, 6. So I would have to wake up at like 4. I have to wake up at 4. It takes me like 20, 30 minutes to get ready. Leave by 4:30. Get on the bus for 5. And then switch buses and do that whole shebang. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. It's not that bad. There's no lockers, so like I said, I'm carrying my things. I always come with a fanny pack to every work site. I carry like my necessities that I actually need in my fanny pack, and then the valuable items I carry in my book bag. But I also have 2 locks, and I have a pair of keys, and then I have extra keys in my fanny pack in case I lose the pair of keys that I have. Excuse me. I do have a little head cold. It's not COVID. Thank you very much. I am gonna get tested again. Just so I like getting tested, so I have that documentation. But hold on, let me check the time real quick. They, I still, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I wanted to go in and ask to like work, but I'm not gonna get paid because it is my break. So I figured I'll just wait. Excuse me. I just don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna go in and see if the break's over. But yeah, I'll see you. Where is it?